This is Barnsley Bright Night's big festive weekend online. Keep warm and entertain with things to make and do with Full House Theatre. How do you make shadow puppets? Let's find out.
Hello, I'm Ben, and I'm a performer and theatre maker. I've spent most of my life creating magical shows for children and families. One of my favourite ways to tell a story is by using shadow puppets. I've used the technique in many shows that I've been in over the years, so I've picked up quite a few tips along the way. So if you enjoy craft and making things and telling stories, then you're in luck today, because we're going to get creative and make our very own shadow puppet theatre. First, you need to think about the story that you want to tell. My top tip is for you to draw a storyboard like this one. It shows all of the characters, the locations, and what's going to happen in your story. I've used a very simple nursery rhyme, but you could make your storyboard as complicated as you like. Shadow puppets have been used to tell stories all over the world for centuries. In places like Indonesia and Thailand. I bet you've had a go before of making up hand shadow stories in your bedroom. We're not going to use our hands today. We're going to make our own puppets. So, are you ready to get started? Now that we have our storyboard, we need to make a shadow puppet for each element of the story. I'm going to show you how to make one puppet, but of course, you're going to need to make lots. To make your shadow puppets, you're going to need some scissors, a pencil, some tape, one of these garden tomato plant sticks, and some black card. So, now that I have all of my characters ready, I'm going to need a stage to put them on. There are lots of different ways to make a shadow screen with a sheet or tracing paper, but today I'm going to teach you how to make something really special at home. So, to make your shadow puppet theatre, you will need a large cardboard box. You can go bigger than this one if you're feeling adventurous. Some tape, a marker pen and ruler, a glue stick, some tissue paper to make the screen, some scissors or a craft knife, and of course, your light source. First, cut a hole in the front of the box to make your stage. Then cut a hole in the back of the box to allow the light to shine through. Cut out 2 rectangles on each side to let your puppets onto the stage. Add your tissue paper screen to the front of the box. So, now that you have your puppets and your theatre, it's up to you to create your show. Use some music for atmosphere and have fun bringing your characters to life. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
There's more festive fun still to come. Visit barnsley.gov.uk/Bright Nights or the Barnsley Council Facebook page to find out more. And don't forget, the Winter Wonderland continues across Barnsley Town Centre until the 10th of January.